VidSnatcher has been in the making for the past 2 years and is now completely ready for the masses to enjoy. It's the ultimate Camtasia replacement, geared towards helping video marketers easily edit and create beautiful videos in the cloud. VidSnatcher opens up so many opportunities with its multi-language translate features. Now you can profit from the ever-growing multi-billion-dollar, multilingual market. VidSnatcher's open canvas style with editing timeline makes it 100% flexible to fit your video editing needs. Create, add, edit and enhance virtually every type of video. Use VidSnatcher to create how-to and show me videos that are value-packed. This is how Todd Gross started years ago, and it's a market that's growing like a weed. The screen capture tool in VidSnatcher is perfect for tutorial and training style videos, and it's what people want. With text-to-speech and language translation built in, it's limitless as to what you can use VidSnatcher for to grow your business. So what's the big deal? This video editor is equipped with text-to-speech and language translation, making it the first completely open canvas editor of its kind. It opens business opportunities around the world and completely crushes language barriers, opening access to markets that were virtually impossible to reach before now. This video app will enable all of us to tap into the fastest growing online video market for years to come. Includes commercial license, is equipped with more